Hello and welcome back to another tech wrap tutorial. I'm Melissa Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this custom butterfly Libbey glass can. To make this cup, I added this full wrap vinyl decal on my cup using Tech Wrap vinyl. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process on how I made this cup. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the vinyl that I'm using in this video. I am using TeckWrap's newly released bubble-free mirror chrome adhesive vinyl. This vinyl does have air channels that help prevent bubbles from forming when you're applying your decals. You can find these vinyls on the TeckWrap website. They'll be linked down below in the video description. So here I have already cut out all layers of my decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. You can use these type of vinyls on any type of cutting machine. I cut the bubble-free mirror chrome adhesive vinyl on the holographic vinyl cut setting, and then I did use one of TeckWrap's glossy vinyl in the color coconut white. I did purchase this SVG cut file from Etsy from the shop Decals and Daydreams. I'll put the link for it down below in one of the comments. I am now going to go in with my TeckWrap weeding pen, and I'm going to weed out all of the excess vinyl on each layer of my decal. This weeding pen does have a sharp stainless steel tip that allows precise weeding down to the smallest detail. I like to go in on one of the corners here and first remove that big piece of excess vinyl, and then go in and remove those small fine detail cuts. Sizing that I did for my decal to fit on my Libbey glass was 9.98 by 4.14. So here I'm just going in and making sure that all layers of my decal are weeded out. So now I have all layers of my decal already weeded out and ready to be layered. Now to begin to layer my decal, I'm going to take a piece of transfer tape that is the same size as my decal, and I'm going to place it on one of the layers here. Now using my TeckWrap squeegee, I'm going to press down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to the transfer tape. And then I'm going to remove the backing. To help layer my decal, I'm going to be using the backing from this vinyl layer that I just removed. All bubble-free mirror chrome adhesive vinyls have this backing that is transparent. If you are familiar with the parchment paper hack or parchment paper method, I'm going to be using this vinyl backing as my parchment paper. I'm going to take my vinyl backing and I'm going to place it on top of my bottom layer, and you'll be able to see through the vinyl backing, and I'm going to place my top layer on top. If you do use your bubble-free mirror chrome adhesive vinyl backing to help you layer your decal, you do want to make sure that you place your top layer on this side of the backing and not this back side. You want to place it where your TeckWrap logo is printed. If you place it on the back part, your vinyl will get stuck on. When you place your top layer on top of your backing, you do want to make sure that you leave a piece exposed up at the top without the backing underneath. That way, when you find the correct placement, you can adhere that exposed piece on to your bottom layer, lift up your top layer, remove the backing, and bring both layers together. Now you can move both layers around until you find the correct placement. You'll be able to see through the vinyl backing that you have in the middle, and you'll be able to just move both layers around until you find that exact spot where both layers align where they should go. So here I have found the correct placement. I'm going to adhere that exposed piece that I left up at the top, and I'm going to lift up my top layer, remove my backing, and then bring both layers together. I'm then going to take my Tech Wrap squeegee and press down on both layers to make sure they adhere on well to my transfer tape. And then I'm going to remove the backing. I'm going to be repeating this for all layers of my decal. Going to be using the same vinyl backing to help me layer the remaining layers of my decal. And here I have my decal now ready to be placed on my cup. So here's the cup that I'm going to be using. It is a 16-ounce Libbey glass can or beer can glass. You can find these on the TeckWrap website, which they'll be linked down below in the video description. I did clean off my cup with an alcohol prep pad, and now I'm going to place it as centered as possible, and then I'm going to press down on my decal, making sure that it's adhering on well to my cup. First, like to press down with my fingers, and then I go in and press down with my Tech Wrap squeegee. I'm then going to go in and remove my transfer tape. And here is how my cup turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.